to pay Uber Eats with Cash App. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to pay Uber Eats with Cash App. So first of all, in order to pay your Uber Eats with Cash App, you need to have a Cash App cash card available with you. It will look something like this. A Cash App cash card is a necessary thing to have if you want to pay in your Uber Eats with your Cash App. If you have the Cash App cash card available with you, all you have to do is just open your Uber Eats account. And once you are there in your Uber Eats account, all you have to do is just click on the profile icon from the top right. And here just scroll down, and under the money section you will see the option called manage payment method. So just simply tap on it. And here you will see the option called add credit or debit card. So you just simply have to click on add a credit or debit card. And here on this particular page, you need to enter your Cash App cash card name and the Cash App cash card number and the expiration date that has been mentioned in your Cash App cash card. And once you enter in all these details, your Cash App cash card will be added as a default payment method in your Uber Eats account. And once the Cash App cash card has been added into your Uber Eats account, then you will be able to make a payment through your Cash App card in your Uber Eats account. So this is basically how you will be able to pay Uber Eats with Cash App. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.